Some are already almost there. You are on the last leg of your journey. Some are still halfway. But I know in this journey called life, there will be situations that we will have to make a choice whether do I stay with the course, whether I should forgive, or whether I would like to leave you these words, which Paul said this in Galatians chapter 6, verse 9. Let's not get tired of doing what is good, because at the right time, we will reap the harvest of blessings if we don't give up. Father, right now, Lord, I pray that as we walk, Lord, in this journey of life, as we follow you, Lord, and as we live our life as your disciples, your followers, believers, workers, servants, Lord, as we see the mountains ahead of us, as we see the giants, Lord, before us, as we see the problems, as we see, Lord God, the hardships,